Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to do an unboxing of this product that I got from QVC. It's the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer, and I got it on a special deal because I had gone last month or so to our local Bed Bath & Beyond, and they were, I guess they're closing down, so they had some discounted items, and I never saw the Ninja Speedi. Well, I never really go into Bed Bath & Beyond, but anyway, they had some discounts, so I thought, well, I'll go in there and see what they have, and they had this Ninja Speedi. It was in a different type of box and with one less item or accessory, and it's listed at $199 and it was on sale at $179.99. But when I looked on other places, they had it for $159. So I thought, well, I'll wait and see if with the closings, if they have further discounts. And when I went in maybe 2 weeks later, it was back up to $199 there at Bed Bath & Beyond. And the other day when I was looking through my emails, Amazon had a recommendation on something different. It was an art book. And when I went to look at it and I wanted to scroll down to look at the reviews for this particular art book, this came up as on sale for $129.99. So what I did is I Googled it on QVC. They had the same price, $129.99. But as I mentioned, the QVC comes with an additional accessory, a round pan for baking. So I purchased it there and it actually came early. So all I did was I opened it, but I looked through the booklets, but I haven't actually taken it out of the box. I saw it had some good reviews. I mean, there's always good and bad reviews depending, but I thought I would go ahead and I would show you this, and maybe this weekend I'm going to go ahead and make some meals and I'll show you that too. So here in the box, it says there's a Speedi meal builder. So there's nothing, if you wanted to scan this QR code and take a look at the way the menus build themselves. But there's also this, if you don't want to scan the QR code and want to type this in your web browser, you can check that out too. But I don't have an air fryer. I do have other Ninja and Shark products and love them. So I thought that this would be kind of nice. So it tells about setting up the rapid cooker recipe, adding the liquid, your proteins, your starches, and how to set up an air fry recipe. So I'll go ahead and I'll open this up and we'll take a look. So the first thing here is the user guide. So I'll take a look at that. I'll have instructions. Then here is the recipe builder or quick start recipe builder on building your own speedy meals. You pick a base. You pick a vegetable or maybe 2 or 3. You pick a seasoning. You pick a protein. And then it tells you, once you put that in, it'll tell you how long to cook it for, the temperature, etc. So that's that page there. And then here it just gives you examples of different types of bowls that you can quickly create. And then there's a small little quick start guide and recipe book. So the different type of settings, there's air fry, stovetop, so there's dehydrate, bake and roast, sous vide, sear and saute, slow cook, air broil, and let me see. And there's a switch that toggles between each. Okay, and then here's the rapid cooker function. So steam and crisp, steam and bake, proof, so I guess if you want to make your own dough, steaming, and speedy meals. So again, this is that little quick start guide that was there. So again, just different things, different types of bowls. So here are some recipes for the Mediterranean bowl. Chicken broccoli Alfredo, blueberry French toast casserole, a frittata. That sounds good. That sounds good too. Chicken cordon bleu. Might want to try that. Some pizza dough and potato wedges. That sounds good too. That looks good. Some pizza dough dinner rolls. Mozzarella sticks. Stuffed mushrooms. I'm going to try that. That looks good. Double chocolate chunk banana bread. That looks good. So they have you use here boxed banana bread mix, but I could probably just make my own from a different recipe. And then how to use the functions in there. So each of the different functions. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this out and we'll take a look at that. So here are the, I guess once I turn it on and plug it in, but right now I'm not going to plug it in. But as far as for the different settings, the cord is not too long, and I think that's just for safety reasons, you know, so that the person doesn't pull on it if they're, you know, walking by. Here's that switch that goes from, oops, sorry about the chair there. It goes from, let's see here, air fry to rapid cook. Here's the steam vent. And let me see how, so there's a handle here. So I'll pull that up. So here's that setting there. And here's that extra pan that I was talking about. That this, I think, is strictly from QVC or maybe HSN. I think otherwise you have to pay for it separately. Because when I looked at Amazon, they do not include it. So that's that. And then this is the other pan with the crisper in there. So this is what the inside of it looks like. So let me take out this pan here and we'll take a look at that. All right, so this is the main pan where you'll be doing your cooking. And then this is the crisper pan, and it has, or tray, it has these little legs here. So depending what you're using it for, so if you're, I think, just cooking regularly, you would have the legs down and insert it down there. But if you are using it to air fry, then you would open up these tabs here, and this would fit in here like this. So it's at the upper level, and then you can air fry. You can cook below and then air fry up here. So we're going to go shopping this weekend and get some food and test this out. And I'll do some videos on that. If you have already this, let me know what you think, what recipes you've tried. Want to see also about making some recipes that don't necessarily have meat and cheese and all that stuff, some healthy foods as well. So let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you soon. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care and have a great day. Bye.